Welcome back to another Buc-ee's construction update video. Today's Saturday, April 12th, 2025. We're in Huber Heights, Ohio, across the street and across the field from the construction site of Ohio's First Buc-ee's. How's the weather today, Sonia?
Much better. We got some partly sunny skies, about 55 degrees. Wind's not too bad.
Spring might be here.
Maybe next month.
And Sonia's wearing the appropriate t-shirt.
Follow the arrows.
Okay, for the construction update today, I think one of the most notable changes that we saw was a lot of the storage containers that were stored up by the 235 near the main construction office have been relocated to the north parking lot. North parking lot also has some new air handling equipment sitting up there ready to be installed when the time comes. You see a little more progress made on the fuel pump islands, both the north side and the south side. I don't see a whole lot of changes to the south parking lot. The retail store, you see a lot more of that yellow material being laid down. I'm guessing that that's some type of insulation material. Up until today, I'd been thinking that that was showing the separation between the front retail part of the store where the public goes and the back, but looks like I was wrong on that because now that yellow material's being spread out all over that retail slab. As far as the construction on the I-70 exit ramp, don't see a whole lot of changes there, just equipment sitting around. So we'll keep an eye on that, let you know if there's any changes up there. I think that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of the Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
See you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
This is the North Fuel Island. You can see the progress that's been made here. This is the location where the storage containers were, right next to State Route 235. They've now been moved to the north parking lot over here. You can see there's some new air handling units being stored on this north parking lot pad until they're ready to be installed. This is the area where the underground fuel storage tanks are located. Here's the location of the retail store. You can see got a lot of that yellow material laid down almost across the entire slab. This is the exit ramp from Interstate 70 to State Route 235. You can see some of the construction equipment sitting at this location. This is the location for the fuel island on the south side of the property.